welcome to PSI Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some beautiful linen collections, all semi-cotton linen collections, jute cotton collections, different pattern of designs we are going to see in this. We are going to see some ikat patterns, some embroideries, different varieties in this video. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's a very pretty jute cotton saree, a lovely ikat pattern design. This is a print but very lovely design. Both the sides we have a temple border, and throughout the body it's a plain body, and the temple border is a printed design. Very pretty design, ideal for the summer, and a lovely ikat pallu for this saree. And the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 850. We have some beautiful color combos in this pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a lovely Badamali shade in the same pattern. Very pretty. This is the body of the saree, pretty one, and this is the pallu of the saree, a beautiful ikat pallu. Lovely design. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 850. The next color combo is a bluish grey. A nice color again. Very English shades you have in this pattern. Both the sides all ikat pattern design. Very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree, a pretty pallu. And the blouse of the saree is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 850. The next color in the same pattern is a beautiful mud shade. It's a more of a fawn color shade. Again, a same temple border on both the sides. And this is the pallu of the saree, a very pretty ikat pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 850. The next combo in the same pattern is a very pretty orange. Nice colors you have in this. This is the body of the saree. Looks really class. And this is the pallu of the saree, is all beautiful ikat pallu, and the price of the saree is 850. The next combo in the same pattern is a light lime yellow. Very pretty shade. So this is the body of the saree, a beautiful color combo, looks really class. And the pallu of the saree is this, a pretty pallu, and the price of the saree is 850. The next is going to be a light grey, light grey combo. Very pretty color combo. So this is the body of the saree, a light grey, and the pallu of the saree is a pretty ikat pallu, very pretty one, and the price of the saree is 850. The next combination in the same pattern. Again, you have really lovely shades in this pattern. The next is a very pretty blue with the same ikat pallu. Looks really nice. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, a beautiful ikat pallu, and all the sarees carry running blouse, and the price of the saree is 650. The next combination is a nice onion pink, a beautiful onion pink shade. Looks really class, and both the sides are beautiful temple border. Looks really class. The color is very pretty, and the pallu of the saree is this beautiful pallu, and the price of the saree is 850. The next combination, very nice, a red. It's more of a maroonish red, that kind of a shade. So this is the body of the saree, a beautiful maroonish red and a black combination, and the pallu of the saree is this. The material is really soft and flowy only. You can single pleat or pleat it as you wish. And it's a normal wash saree. You don't need to starch. Mild iron might require at times. This is a more of a light brown shade in the same pattern. Beautiful color. A light brown with the same ikat pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this. Beautiful ikat pallu. And the price of this saree is 850. The next combination in the same pattern, lovely mustard, beautiful shade again. It's also very pretty. All the shades looks really class in this. Very beautiful ikat designs. A mustard with a lovely black and maroon combination, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is again a running. The next is a light magenta or more of a mauve shade, that kind of a shade, a purplish shade, a pretty one. These are all very English shades, dark English shades, dark onion color. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this, pretty pallu, and the price of the sari is 850. The next is a lovely elaichi green, beautiful dark elaichi green with the same temple border, lovely design, and the pallu of the sari is this, pretty pallu, and the price of the sari is 850. This is again a beautiful cotton linen sari. In that very pretty ikat weaving done in the sari. Both the sides we have a silver zari, and on the corners we have a small piping contrast border. This is in red, and the body is completely in light mango yellow, that kind of a shade, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat weaving running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, pretty blouse, and the price of this sari is 860. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. I show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful sandal with red combo, sandal with red and pink combination, very pretty. This is the body of the sari, sandal with red, and the pallu of the sari is this, contrast pallu, and the blouse is again going to be a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 860. The next combination in the same pattern is a beautiful lovely light baby pink, rose milk pink, ideal for the summer. The pink is ideal for the summer, and the rose milk is ideal for the summer. Very lovely color combo, beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the sari is contrast red, and the price of the sari is 860. The next is again a very lovely light blue with maroon combination. This is the body of the sari, light blue with maroon, or more of a sea blue. And this is the pallu of the sari, a contrast maroon blouse pallu, and the blouse is a contrast blouse, and the price of the sari is 860. The next combination is a really rich shade, light, very light gray with red combination, looks class, very pretty. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 860. The next combination is a beautiful peach with red combination, a very pretty peach with red. So this is the body of the sari, a lovely color combo, and the pallu of the sari is this, beautiful pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a contrast blouse, and the price of the sari is 860. The last combination in the pattern, this is a very pretty peachish pink. This is a peachish pink with a red combination. So this is the body of the sari, a pretty color, and the pallu of the sari is this, a contrast pallu, and the blouse is a contrast blouse, and the price of the sari is 860. This is in the same ikat pattern design, a slightly a different border. This is more of a sunset orange, looks really nice, very pretty. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful color combo, and the pallu of the sari is this, a pretty pallu. Both the sides we have a silver zari border, and the blouse is a running blouse for this sari, and the price of the sari is 860. One more beautiful shade in this, different pattern in the same ikat pattern design, a very different design. This is a light orange shade with completely ikat weaving. This is the body of the sari, looks so rich, class. Both the corners we have a beautiful ikat border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat border, ikat weaving running along the body of the sari in the same cotton linen material. And the pallu of the sari is this, a beautiful orange pallu, and a nice contrast orange blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 860. This is a very beautiful embroidery cotton linen sari, both the sides silver zari, and we have a beautiful embroidery, a kachwork pattern design in the bottom part of the sari, and throughout the body we have the same kachwork embroidery running along the body of the sari. A pretty design, and this is the pallu of the sari, and we have beautiful tassels in the corners. And the blouse of the sari is a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 950. We have beautiful color combo in this. This is a light green, very pretty green. The next is going to be a beautiful grey, lovely shade, very pretty grey. This is the body of the sari. It's really class, both the sides silver zari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a running blouse for this sari, and the price of the sari is 950. It's all the saris have the same type of embroidery. On the bottom part we have a bigger kachwork, and throughout the body we have small kachwork embroidery. Very cross stitch design, looks really nice. So this is the body of the sari, a beautiful blue, very pretty one, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse, very pretty color. The price of the sari is 950. This is a fawn color, in that the embroidery is in fawn and grey color, looks really pretty. The embroidery is very nice in this, looks really class. And the bottom part we have on both the sides we have a silver zari, and this is the body of the sari, a pretty one, and the price of the sari is 950. The next is a beautiful light yellow, very pretty design. Bottom part big border, and throughout the body we have small designs, and the body of the sari is this, a beautiful yellow, lovely yellow, pretty happy yellow, and the price of the sari is 950. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.